order comes in, I will record that and stick the clips together. So it'll be a whole different shirt. I have Frog, Empire, and the ones from the Raw Beauty Christie palette collection. Like, I bought the whole thing because I love her. And they're all greens. I mean, you guys know me, I love green. So I want to compare what colors I have to see if there's anything similar. Palette. This is from JD Glow. This is based out of Louisiana in here. But this is where I put my single. This entire row here is ColourPop and that one purple single. Now, this was like $4. Their hair ties or hair they got some good tensile strength to them, some good tension there. So here are all of the singles that I picked up. Bit shimmers. These were all basic bit shimmers here, as well as like this one down here. Entire first row of this